population running out of time. Running out of time. This is just a punk rock song, written for the people who can see something's wrong. I can't stand the colony, we do wanna share, but there's so many other fucking insects out there. This is just a punk rock song. Singers don't lie, they speak of human disease, but we do what we want and we think what we please. 105 kids below the poverty line, one population running out of time. This is just a punk rock song. This is just a punk rock song. This is just a punk rock song. Hey, sit down and listen and they'll tell you when you're wrong. Eradicate but vindicate as progress creeps along. Puritan work ethic maintains its subconscious edge, as old glory maintains your consciousness.